So this year we're doing something new with the parade where we are selecting some veterans from our community to join our parade. And Mr. Tanthat, who is the veteran from the Vietnam era that his grandson wrote about, and he was Aiden right here is one of the winners of our Kiwanis Interview of Veterans essay contest.
This is the car for our Grand Marshal, Leslie Lopez, who will be here shortly. So things are coming into place for this year's boat parade.
Donated by Chino Hills Ford.
Yes, thank you, Chino Hills Ford. So Leslie, how does it feel to be the first Grand Marshal?
I didn't know that till just now.
You are.
Yeah, that's great.
You are making history tonight.
Oh, well, cool. It's awesome. I mean, this is Chino Hills, my hometown, so it's really wonderful to be back. And I wonder if I guess I'm kind of excited to see any familiar faces out there. So
I bet you will.
I hope I do. It's already fun and festive, and I think it's so funny that we do this. It's great.
Yes.
It's a wonderful tradition.
Happy holidays!
We want to be in the parade to represent the animals that we rescue and to say thank you to the citizens of Chino Hills for supporting our rescue and for coming in and volunteering. We appreciate you very, very much.
Well, tonight we brought out our brass ensemble. We're out here supporting our local community by participating in the Chino Hills Boat Parade.
We just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy holidays!